This is on the Becker job, number 53885. Install on 11.7 by Stetson. So what we're doing is we are adding I'll organize this better, but we're adding 2 split system wall units and a ceiling cassette and a fan coil with the branch box. So come down in the attic, come down in the crawl space and measure this first. There's really not a whole bunch to measure on this job. And just so you know, I had a conference call with the designer and the builder. So they kind of told me on the phone where they want things. But in the crawl space, they now have a 90% furnace. We're getting rid of this, and we're adding an air handler. Mitsubishi fan coil in its place. So this duct isn't insulated, and Jason, I talked to him, I just told him I'd make 2 new boxes. He said okay. So basically we're just going to take the flex off here and put our unit on 2 pieces of unistrut going long ways. And then we're going to make a transition, filter box, and then a piece of duct with an end cap. And same with this. Just rehook up this flex back to our new duct. And rehook up, I'll give you new takeoffs, new 7-inch and 6-inch side takeoffs with a few 90s, and I'll give you some 6 and 7-inch pipe in case you need to make couplings. I think some of this flex is in bad shape. You may need to cut and extend it, but just hook back up where you can. This 14-inch off the top, it did go to this, which went up through that hole, and I believe it was feeding the other floors. So I believe this is going to be abandoned since the other floors were doing other heating for it. Okay, the flues, they're going to come out. The power is going to come out. I'm guessing their electrician will deal with that, but it's abandoned. And the gas, I'll give you a plug. Just plug it at the gas cock. The drain, right now it just drains into the crawl space. I talked to the plumbers. I told them they need to provide us with a drain for each unit. And they are putting a tankless water heater down here, so they said there will be a drain. You're also going to need to put a branch box down here. And just to give you an idea, our outdoor unit is going to sit out there. And I'll show you that in a minute. But so put your branch box wherever is going to be the easiest access for you. Go upstairs. Okay, so the outdoor unit, and it sounded like there may be some debate on placement of everything. So you're gonna have to triple check with the builder and designer, see if they made any changes. But from what I see, from what I've been told, is they want that unit right here. I don't know if they realize how tall it is, and it's going to be on a big stand in a double tall unit. Because they kind of wanted to hide it a little bit. The salesman told me it was going to be over on this side, but then the builder and others said no, it's got to be over here. So anyway, branch box underneath, everything is going to have to run under the deck and over here. So they're going to have to pull up the decking boards so you can even get under there to run it. Okay. Okay, so salesman has nothing about thermostat for this main area, so we'll have to get with him and find out what he's doing with the thermostat. Okay, you go up the stairs. You have the master bedroom here and the other bedroom here. They want a mini split on this wall right here, centered in between the door and this wall. I told them it'd probably be about 3 inches down from the ceiling. They said okay. So Jason ordered boxes. Cut it, the cut-in boxes for the split systems. So one there, and we'll have to just run down and get into the basement however we can. The other one, the designer says that they want it on this little wall. The shower's right behind it, but this is where she wants it. So again, we're gonna have to come down, go through the floor, and then go in the joist space over to where all the plumbing is, and over and down with the plumbing into the crawl space. Okay, on the top floor, so right here they have a 09 will go in this bedroom, and the 1-ton unit will go in the master bedroom. Then we go upstairs. And we're gonna put a cassette in the ceiling. So we have center here and a center here. And she said she wants it pretty much over this door, not in the center of the room. I told her, well, it's better if we can put it in the center of the room as far as the airflow goes. And they were kind of debating, but as of right now, she wanted it like right here, centered in the door. So you need to go over the exact location with them on that as well. And I told the plumber he's going to need to provide you with the drain. I'll give you some 1-inch PVC to get wherever you need to go, but yeah, he needs to provide you with the drain somewhere. And get all these down to the crawl space. to a branch box. Okay, so on the instructions, it says minimum circuit amps is, well, the breaker, suggested breaker is a 30, but if you power the branch box off the unit, it's going to be a 50 amp breaker. And I'm believing that's what we usually do, is power the branch box off the unit. So I'm guessing a 30 amp breaker. So I was told there cannot be any wires or anything shown on this unit as far as HOA goes. So just know that everything's got to be hidden. And if I had more information, I'd let you know more, but that's all I know. And this is one of those jobs that sounds like it's, ooh, look, a deer, a buck. Sounds like it's being designed by the designer. So, okay.